All right, guys, let's get down to it and try and make it some money. It's getting tougher and tougher in this market. Now, I got a breakout for you. Flextronics International. This used to be one of these real hot go-get-'em stocks right in the internet telecom days. Came down to earth a little bit. In fact, before today, it was actually down 5% for the year. Huge reversal. Earnings are out, beat on top and bottom line. I like the guidance. They did buy back a fair amount of stock like anyone else, but I still think there's a huge value play. Back in 2000, it was like a $41 stock. Breaking out here, I think you can get a move to 15. That would be a huge percentage gain. Like it, it's a little higher than normal risk, so I will warn on that. What do you think on this one, Matt?
I sold it today. But looking at the chart more and more during the commercial break, it's got like a quadruple top. If it gets through 1175, close it at 1135, major breakout, reverse head and shoulders. So, you know, if it I'd wait for a breakout to buy into it, Charles.
Revenue up 20% in the consumer technology area. That's very important because the consumer is the one who's spending.
You know, it's interesting. I was looking at a market share chart for just smartphones. Obviously, Apple's here, Samsung crashing, but all the other players are also going up, all at Samsung's expense. But it does point to a greater consumers, wearable things. All of these things are coming online. Just so you don't necessarily always have to pick the winner. Sometimes you can pick the guys who supply the product.
Well, from a fundamental standpoint, you know, 13 times earnings. It's cheap. Love the technology space. So yeah, I definitely like this as well.
All right. So we got yes, and breakout.
Breakout. 11, maybe I'll buy it back.
1170.
1170.